What is up, Nomads? It's Mike here. I'm back with another passive income video, and today I'm going to show you guys the top 5 affiliate marketing tools for 2020. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, and this way here you guys stay up to date on all the notifications and the videos I come out with to help you guys earn money into 2020 and beyond. Okay, so let's get right started into the tools. So the first tool you guys are going to need is a landing page software. Here's a sort of layout of exactly what I'm doing to drive traffic to my affiliate offers. I'm driving traffic naturally on Facebook. I'm using Google AdWords, and I'm creating YouTube videos. Then they're landing on a landing page software. From there, they either go to like sort of a bridge page or a sales page to my offer, okay? So landing page software that I use is Clickfunnels. This is basically the Cadillac of landing page softwares. Now there's tons of different landing page softwares that you can use. I recommend you guys use Clickfunnels. They have a great affiliate program as well as affiliate marketer. That's one of the things I look for. But there's Lead Pages, Builderall, Kartra. You guys can do your own research. The one I recommend is Clickfunnels. And if you guys decide that you want to get started with affiliate marketing and you send me an email and you say, I signed up for Clickfunnels using your link in the description, I will send you over 40 funnels that you can import directly into your Clickfunnels account, and I will send you the exact legendary marketer funnel that I'm using here. So this is the landing page. You can see this is what I'm talking about. This is the software that's created this actual page, and it's really simple. It's drag and drop. You don't need to have any coding skills, anything like that. It's a real simple software. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how I use Clickfunnels. The first thing should be your landing page, okay? So if you look at this landing page, you come to it. This is my page here, Higher Ground Nomad. You have to enter your name and email address. So as soon as you enter your name and email address, I'm going to send you a follow-up message. So it's basically what they call is you're building up a nurturing sequence, okay? So this is a sequence of emails that you guys are going to get to know me even better. Hopefully I'm building up that trust factor, and I'm going to send offers along the way on different products I'm promoting, different things that are going to help you guys, different products that I'm using that I'm going to recommend, things like that. So I don't recommend anything that I don't use, okay? So that's the first tool that I use. The next tool that I use is my email autoresponder, okay? So this is linked into Clickfunnels. So when you enter your name and email address, the email autoresponder automatically sends you guys follow-up messages, okay? So here, you can see here is my email list. I got 1 subscriber today. I have over 1,366 subscribers on my email list. The problem with emails is the open rate is very low. Okay, so I'm getting around, 8% open rate, which isn't that great. I know there's people that are probably doing a lot better than that. I think some of the top marketers, even them, they're only getting between maybe 15%. So that's a problem with email open rates. Not the greatest for open rates, okay? So the next tool that I'm going to recommend, and this is to combat kind of the open rates, is Manychat. And what Manychat does, it's sends you automated messages through Facebook Messenger or the Messenger app. And you can see the open rate here is almost 100%. Okay, so that's one of the things. But the problem with creating a list on Manychat is it's a little more difficult to get people onto your chatbot list. You either have to create some sort of Facebook ad, send them to your Manychat account. But when you do this, the open rate is way better. So, if you want to learn Facebook ads and get started with Facebook ads and driving traffic using Facebook or Instagram, and you send them to a messenger bot, you're going to increase your open rate, okay? So just like this, again, so I'm driving traffic using Facebook, AdWords, YouTube, coming to the landing page, which is here, okay? Then from there, you're probably either going to go to a sales page or a bridge page that's going to recommend that product here, Legendary Marketer. So this is the program that I've made over $10,000 with. All right. So again, this is exactly the system and the layout that I'm using. Okay. Now, if you guys, like I said, if you want this funnel that I'm using, I will send it to you. Just send me a quick email. Say I signed up for Clickfunnels. Send me the Legendary Marketer funnel that you're using. Okay. The next tool that I'm going to recommend is a keyword planner. Okay. So what a keyword planner is, in order to drive traffic. Okay. So the same way I'm driving traffic through YouTube or Google AdWords or Facebook, is I have to know what people are searching for. Okay. So there's 3 different tools that I'm going to recommend when it comes to keyword planning. Okay. So the first one I'm going to recommend is Google Trends. Okay. And what Google Trends is, whenever you type in something into Google Trends, basically you just type in any word that you are looking for. So in this case, I typed in affiliate marketing. Okay. And we can see here what's trending. This is the exact video that I'm making, affiliate marketing tools. So you can see here, it's rising up. Now, affiliate marketing services, there's people that are searching this, affiliate marketing agencies, affiliate marketing courses, and how to start affiliate marketing. So I can make YouTube video all around this, and I know people are searching exactly for this, okay? So what you're kind of looking for here is the trend volume to be around 100, okay? So if you look here on the numbers on the side, so you want the trend volume to be around 100. So you can type in any word. We can type in Clickfunnels, and we can see what the trend is for that. Right now, it's actually trending a little low. So here we go. People were searching Clickfunnels pricing. A good YouTube video to create would be Clickfunnels pricing 2020. How much does Clickfunnels cost? You know, you can create a video around that, okay? So again, Google Trends is for keyword planning, okay? Now another keyword planner tool that I use, which is free, is Uber Suggest. Again, right here, you just type in Uber Suggest into the Google search bar and it'll bring you to this page. Now this page is owned by Neil Patel. He owns Uber Suggest. I'm pretty sure he bought it. Now Neil Patel is one of the top marketers in the world, so I recommend you guys check out any one of his stuff. He's got some amazing content as well in regards to affiliate marketing, SEO, which is search engine optimization. So I got in here, so affiliate marketing, we can see the sort of trend and we can see what people are searching for. So it gives me some keyword ideas. So affiliate marketing on Amazon, affiliate marketing programs, and it's also going to give me some content ideas. What is affiliate marketing? The ultimate affiliate marketing newbie guide. How to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. These are all great video contents and ways you can drive traffic because you know people are searching for that content, okay? In the last keyword research tool that I'm going to recommend is from Google again. And this keyword research tool, you guys have to have a Google AdWords account. So if you don't have a Google AdWords account yet, I recommend you guys just create an account. This way you get access to the keyword planner and where that's located inside of your Google AdWords account. If you go to just tools and settings, you'll see under this tab right here, keyword planner, click there, and then you can start searching in your keywords. Okay, so I already kind of preloaded this. I have the search term up, affiliate marketing. Click on get results. I can see here the search volume. The average monthly searches between Canada and the US is almost 50,000 searches per month just on affiliate marketing alone. Okay, so these are some of the top affiliate searches in regards to what affiliate marketing is. Now people are searching for the Amazon affiliate program that has 12,000 searches a month. That's because all the YouTube videos that you see on different products, different reviews, people are creating content around, you know, the latest camera, the latest computer, the best man cave setup, and they all have affiliate links inside of their YouTube description that you click, and when you make a purchase from that click, they're going to make a commission. Now that's one way you can do it. Okay, so these are some of the top search. Amazon, like I said, John Cristani, he's an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing programs, best affiliate marketing programs. So if you created videos all around these topics, you know people are already searching for best affiliate marketing programs. Clickfunnels affiliate. It's getting 2,400 searches per month. This is all great stuff. So you can create videos and content around those keywords, then you're laughing, okay? So back to this setup. Again, my last tool that you're gonna need is a way of driving traffic to your offers, okay? And now my number one recommendation is exactly where you are right now, is YouTube, okay? So create yourself a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not gonna show you guys exactly how to do that today, but perhaps in another video. And I'm going to show you guys inside of my back office here. So from my last video that I created $4,000 in 30 days, you can see here, here's my thumbnail. Here's my total views, so 1.3K views. I picked up 11 subscribers and my watch time was 51.6 hours, which is pretty good. Here's, so I created a simple video on how I made $4,000 in 30 days. I picked up subscribers, I picked up views, I generated leads from that video, okay? So again, that's my top 5 tools for affiliate marketing. Other ways of driving traffic, if you guys want, you can create a blog. If you're not comfortable on camera and maybe you're a better writer, create blogs, okay? If you're gonna create a blog, you're gonna have to learn keyword research. You can create, if you're into photography, you can learn how to build up an Instagram account and drive traffic that way. If you're comfortable, like again, creating videos, YouTube, TikTok is hot really right now. I know a lot of affiliate marketers that are crushing it on TikTok, and that's another great way of getting started. So again, guys, if you got some value from this video, my name is Mike from Higher Ground Nomad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment down below if you got some value and show some love. I love all you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.